long A and E sound. Listen and repeat. Okay, student, see here. Paper, tap, table, man, rain, sail, train and snail. Then day, hay, May, pay and today. Be, he, me, she, we and evening. Then next, B, P, C, tree and three. Okay, then next, we, chick, wick, green and twin. Okay, then next, fit, meet, great and street. Then next, BEEP, beep, DEEP, dip, JEEP, jip, PEEP, pip and last SHEEP, ship. Okay, now questions here. Find the long A sound word. Here given some words, we find here long A sound word. See here given long A sound word. See here, TOI toy is here. No, we want A sound word. See here, TAIL. This is long A sound word. We find these words. Okay. Then let's find the long E sound word. See here, long E sound word here given. Peel, PEEL, peel. This is long E sound word. Okay, listen and repeat. See here, a snail in the rain. What is this? A snail in the rain. Then next, a green jeep in the street. A green jeep in the street. Okay, student, now next. Student, let's sing one rhyme. Okay, see here, there was a crook man. The name of rhyme is there was a crook man. See here, there was a crook man and he walked a crooked meal. He found a crooked sixpence against a crooked steel. Okay, then next, he bought a crooked cat which caught a crooked mouse and they all lived together in a little crooked house. Okay, student, you do practice at your home. Now, questions here. Look at the poem and circle the words he, cat, and man and a. See here, we want to circle word he. Where is he? Okay, then we circle word he. Then next, cat. Where is cat? Spelling of cat is CAT, cat. See here. Okay, we circle the word cat. Then next, A and D and. Here given and, we circle the word and. Then next, MAN man. Where is man? See here. MAN man, we circle the word man. Then next, A. Where is A? See here, A. Okay, we circle this all word he, cat and man and a. Okay, then next, see here, what is this? Thank you and please. We know, dear student, we want anything from anyone. For example, you want chocolate from your friend. Then how you ask your friend? Please give me a chocolate. Okay. Then next, see here. Again, anyone give you some gift. For example, your father brought one beautiful gift on your birthday. Then what you say? Thank you, Papa. Okay, now we learn these both words. Thank you and please. Okay, let us say and see here. Please open the door for me. Sure. Then next, thank you very much. You are welcome. Then next, thank you. The girl says, thank you. That grandfather gives some gift to that girl. Then she says, thank you. Then next here, please. That girl want toy. She asked her father, please, I want this toy. Okay, then next here, The girl says, please. Then next, let us sing. Hearts like doors will open with ease to very, very little kids, and don't forget that to all these. And I thank you, and if you please. Okay, student. Then next, see here. See here, let us write here given S, T, U and V. Okay, you have to trace this S, T, U, V and write front of him. See here, you have to trace like this S. Okay, then write here in between two lines same like this, yes. Okay, same you have to write S, T, U and V. Then next, see here. Here also given one rhyme. Let us sing. Once I saw a little bird. Okay, see here and say loudly at your home. Okay, see here. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? When he shook his little tail and away he flew. Look at the poem and take the two words that end with OP. We have to take these two words which end with OP. See here given, okay, see here, this is HOP. That words end with OP. That's why we take these both words. Okay, dear student, you have to write these words and tick properly and do all homework regularly and send on group. Okay, bye.